You want to run n8n, but you don't want to touch Docker, configure a VPS, or babysit a server. What if you didn't have to? Here's the thing about automation tools right now. n8n Cloud, priced for teams, not solo builders. Self-hosting? Powerful, but you need DevOps skills most of us just don't have. So you're stuck choosing between expensive or complicated. That's exactly why we built n8n LaunchPad, a fully managed, pre-deployed n8n instance live in under 60 seconds. No terminal, no config files, no stress. Here's how it works. Sign up, pick your plan, starting at just $6 a month. Hit complete subscription, complete payment, and that's it. Your n8n instance access URL lands straight to your inbox, ready to build workflows immediately.
Connect your apps, automate your tasks, scale your business, all without ever thinking about servers, uptime, or updates. We handle all of that in the background. Whether you're a freelancer automating client work, an agency scaling operations, or a solo founder replacing expensive tools like Zapier, n8n LaunchPad gives you the power of n8n without the overhead. We built this because we needed it ourselves. It's the easiest, most affordable way to run n8n. n8n LaunchPad. Automation without the headache. Try it today. Links right below.